Hi, my name is Etienne and I'm a product marketing manager at SOLABS. In this video, I will go over the process section as a whole. So I just went into an audit. And what you'll notice for the process section is that the menu and metadata fields are configured the same way no matter which process you're looking at. So right now I'm in an audit process, but aside from the flowchart and what information is entered at every step, the look and feel of the process section is the same. And once you know it for one process, you're able to navigate through all of them easily. I'm also logged in as an administrator, which defines which process actions you will see in the right-hand menu and which options I'm able to see overall. You will not be able to see anything that you should not, and so you might have different menu options from the ones that I'm showing on screen right now. Now, every process will have a name, a unique ID, how long it's been opened, whether there are any secondary tasks assigned, and how many of them are completed. You're able to see where you are in the current flowchart. And then if you open the flowchart, you not only see the entire flow, but also it highlights where you are currently in the process. Then when the process was initiated, by whom, whether it was closed, again, at which date, any dependent processes, if you have set any, and who we are currently waiting on for the process. Then if you see these specific steps, you're able to use the drop-down menu for every one of those steps to view the metadata information and see what was entered by people in this process previously. Then if you scroll to the bottom, you get to see any related item to this process. Typically, there are going to be secondary tasks that have been assigned. You can view their ID, their name, when they were due, what status they are at. You can again drop down to view additional information on those. You will be able to see any related documents. And again, you can view the metadata fields for those as well, or go and view their specific screens within QM10. There are none in this example, but there would also be the possibility for processes to be attached, either dependent on the existing process or just related to them. And also training activities can be attached to processes as well. So all of those would be options. Then another thing that I like to point out is the summary report functionality. If you need to provide external parties with information on a process within QM10, instead of creating an external account for them, you can send them the information by email using the summary report. And what happens here is you will pick out which information you want in the report. Typically what people will choose is step 1 and then all secondary tasks, because step 1 gives you context and the secondary task provides evidence on to what has been done. And then when you click generate report, what it does is it creates a PDF with all the information that you have selected, plus the metadata field for the specific process. And you can then download that and send it by email. So that would be said report. So this is a very brief overview of the process section. If you have any specific questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and have a great rest of your day.